So where are we at right now?
Detroit, Michigan. We are in the hotel, heading to the lobby, about to walk to NFL HQ and get briefed.
Are y'all ready to work?
Sure. As ready as I'll ever be.
The first initial of your last.
I've got you registered.
We got cap right here, draft shirts right here, got a jacket, zip up, bag, some shades in there.
Hello.
How's it going?
Good.
What are you working?
The photo station right here. Thank you. I'll send it to you.
Let's get it!
We went right up here. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you for visiting.
Do you guys have the NFL one pass out? Do you have a phone you want the picture taken on? Do you want it on your phone?
Yes, please.
Okay. They're gonna do one each and then one together. There's that for them. He's in there too.
They were in charge of keeping people out of the room, and the staff and the employees are supposed to go. We had to like make sure to direct the traffic in the right direction, and just make sure people knew where they're supposed to go.
Crazy day. Just looking fun. Great experience.
So today, we just got done with our first day at the Dragons. Our first part was this little photo booth thing, and we took so many pictures of so many Detroit Lions fans and, a couple here and there of the Bears. Then we got moved. I got moved to the Lombardi Trophy, and I was holding a sign. Look at this. It said end of line. People thought that was the funniest thing. Can I take a picture? I said, sure. I was basically just helping people get through the line and where the end of it was so they could walk through. Now we're just these feet. Oh no. Oh man. What?
Get excited!
Jr.
In the 2024 NFL Draft, the Chicago Bears select Caleb Williams.
Hey, well, our sports management people are working for they're working for the Kansas City Chiefs. By the way, if one of you get assigned to that team, say hello to Taylor Swift.